na Nababaw Kabalin. Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, I'm sure discover natin na coffee shop ngayon ay magugustuhan ninyo, guys.
So this is a new coffee shop na matatagpuan dito sa may San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
So it's called Cam Cafe. Napaka-catchy ng pangalan niya, no? So there's a catch nga because this coffee shop serves a very unique coffee.
It is a selfie chino, so where you can have your picture on your coffee.
Exactly. So very unique. Lalong-lalo na yung mga millennials or even yung mga tito-tita natin na mahilig mag-Instagram.
Yes.
This is the place to be.
So if you're interested to know more about this product, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Okay, so coming in here, guys, this is the place. So if you notice, meron tayo ditong air-conditioned room where you can, dine inside the place. And then meron din tayong al fresco, which is, if you prefer, available naman po yun. So this is the counter, menus are available here. And then this is the machine, ayan. So this is the selfie chino machine. So this is a technology in Singapore wherein, yun nga, piniprint nila yung mga pictures. So what you do is you scan this one, scan this QR code here. So automatically magsasend po siya dun sa database nila, and then ipiprint nila whatever picture that you want to be seen dun sa cup mo. Sample like this.
So our sample is yung picture natin. So this is our picture na nasa coffee or cappuccino natin, or pwede rin yung mga logos.
Bali yung mga drinks sir, meron tayong matcha frappo, tapos black forest. So ito po si ice mocha po. And then this one, si Caesar chicken salad po. Ito naman po si beef bonanza flatbread natin. Tapos ito po si Bake Mac. Banana Nutella crepe po. Tapos yung sa selfie chino po natin is sa caramel macchiato.
Yes. Okay.
Tapos ito po si Wagyu burger natin. And then ito si truffle mushroom burger. Si chicken fingers po. Tapos si cookies natin, sir. Tapos si brownies po.
Okay.
Tapos ito po si banana loaf. And si roti po.
Roti.
Coffee bun.
Coffee bun. Okay, so another thing, let me talk about the place, no? The place is very minimalist. However, you will still feel yung cozy ambience, no? Napaka Instagrammable. You have your integration ng wood, color, nature. So, very close to nature pagpunta nyo dito, meaning you're gonna be relaxed. Alright, so once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Siyempre, nagpapasalamat din tayo kay Cam Cafe for inviting us. So, right after they got enticed dun sa lugar, siyempre, titikman nila yung pagkain dyan. So,
so I'm excited to taste their food. So, ang una natin titikman is kanilang mga burgers.
Alright, since ako yung pumili nito, so uunahin ko naman yung kanilang selfie chino.
Selfie chino. One of the best seller na burger, yung truffle mushroom burger. You know? Yung burger nila, it comes with yung fries, at the same time main burger.
Alright, so sweet is in, I want the savory in naman. So sa akin naman is the Wagyu. Parang rare to find ingredients, truffles and Wagyu. So these are kumbaga premium ingredients ng mga pagkain natin. And yung burger natin, it is so saucy. Look at that.
So next to taste ko is yung kanilang chicken finger.
Alright, ako naman I wanna try yung kanilang macaroni. Ito yung mga food na sa tingin ko papatok sa mga millennial.
Yeah.
Very millennial, no? Another dessert slash savory is yung kanilang banana Nutella. So for this one, I think it's shareable up until 2 persons siguro.
Pupunta ka dito, hindi ka nagmamadali. Enjoy mo lang yung place, yung food, at the same time, yung time mo with your friend.
It's a little bit savory, and at the same time, nagbe-blend yung fresh banana and yung chocolate natin.
So next taste naman yung kanilang chicken Caesar salad.
So when you go here guys, the place is very suitable for you're checking your business stats, hindi ganun kaingay, at the same time, very accessible siya sa daan. Alright, more of the dessert. So this is the brownie. Ayan, so meron siyang vanilla on top.
Yeah.
I like it.
Tikman din natin.
Oh wow. The brownie is not too sweet.
At the same time, it complements yung vanilla ice cream.
Wow. You're gonna go here siguro for a relaxation, a meditation, and chill.
Yes.
Siguro this is also a good place for a meet-up. No? Siguro you have catch up. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for being with us. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And kung bibisita naman kayo dito,
Cam Cafe is located dito may San Agustin, just along the road. Ang pinaka-landmark niya is yung katabi lang siya ng Walter Mart
yeah.
or yung tapat siya ng Shell gas station.
Yeah.
So they are open from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yes. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. We're gonna enjoy this for the rest of the video.
Yeah.